Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn how we can create this amazing CGI ad inside After Effects. Let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's helped me to create more tutorials. Let's get started. Hello. First, create new composition from footage. Okay. Click on this and add clip. Link is in the description. You can check it out. Okay. This is the clip. Yeah. Select this clip. Select the clip and click on track camera. And this is tracking the camera. This takes few minutes. And the camera tracking is solved. Yeah. Check this option and take a place where your watch. Right click and create solid and camera. Click over here. And we have the solid. Adjust it accordingly. Okay. Rotate it like this. And put this over here. Like this. Adjust it little bit like this. Yeah, this is good. And scale up it on y-axis. Okay, we have this plane. Go double click at this watch, import and click, and we this add second watch. Click over here, add second watch. Okay, add this watch first and press OK. Press S. Press S to scale it up and scale it up like that. Okay. Add one more watch and just click on OK and scale up it. This time hide this watch and rotate it like this. Okay. Adjust the position to over here. Okay, like that. Up a bit like that. Okay, this is good. Press P. Create a keyframe. Go ahead. Go to beginning. And this position is over here. Go ahead. This position is over here. Go ahead. And this position is over here. Like this. Okay. And go here. Copy this keyframe and paste it over here. Press Ctrl Shift T and delete layer. Okay, we have this nice animation. Okay, press Shift R and create Z rotation. Go ahead and this to 2x. 2x. And we have this nice animation. But this overlapping, adjust the position Adjust the position accordingly. Okay, I adjust the position and you can check the preview. Okay, this is good. Add second watch and select this. Press U. Copy the keyframe, press S. Copy the keyframe, press S and paste it to over here. Okay, like this. Rotate it and adjust its position. Like that. Like this. Okay, that's good. Okay, select this, press U and select all keyframe. Copy second layer. Select this layer and press Ctrl V. Okay, adjust it over here. And we have this nice animation. Yeah, that's super amazing. We go here, press N. Press U, go here and press N. Okay, adjust it like this. Okay, this is good. And we have this nice animation. Yeah, you can preview it. Okay, add HTRI. Okay, add HTRI and add this into this composition. Okay, add a light, add a environmental light and just click on OK. Okay, this is good. Select this, go here and go to light option, light option and this. Okay, and default to this HDRI and we have this light. Check before and after result. The before and after. Okay, select this, drag solid, go to material option, go over material option and on this. Okay, off, on and this only. Okay, we have created a nice CGI ad in After Effects. I hope you liked the video. Please like the channel and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.